I'm not playing this game. I'm done. Please.
Do you know? मैं तेनू कितना प्यार करदा? Do you know?
They have absolutely massacred Diljit's original song. And why? Tony Bhai, why? Just like Thanos wants to collect all those rings, why are you behind collecting every song that I've ever loved in my life? Please, please bhai, छोड़ दो. ये वाला छोड़ दो. मत करो ये सब. Thank you. The original was a beautiful love song by Diljit Dosanjh for some mystery girl. And now, this one, it's for some reason in a club. The dudes are my mom's age and the girls are quarter their age. Why? See, and I know that I'm not saying something new because everybody loves to hate on remake songs for the past 10 years. But you know, as I was hating on it and as I was watching it, I had a realization. I have seen this exact same song before. Hindi cinema has always had a dynamic relationship with songs. It's not just about shaking that too, but it's more of an emotion, it's a storytelling, and we've actually used songs to forward the narrative in a film. One great example is of the film Queen, where the director uses a great throwback song called Maine Hoto Se Lagai To, and it's a club song. Here, the main character Kangana could have easily danced randomly in front of a synchronized crowd, but no, they chose otherwise. They decided to use the song according to the character that they had built for her in the film. A reserved goody two shoes character who's always played by the rules. She's either listened to her parents or she's listened to her to-be husband. And this is the first time that she's out and about and she can taste freedom. But does she become Deepika Padukone suddenly from an item song? No, she doesn't. She displays exactly what her character would do in the film. She takes off her sweater and throws it in the air and then puts it in her bag. That's so Indian. That's me. This is a great example because the director has used a very powerful and popular song from the past, but he's used it uniquely for the character that he's building. And in comparison, look at this. Absolutely no personality, is giving me no character. I'm not happy. Maybe I am putting a lot of pressure on the medium of characterization through songs. I get it. Some songs are just made to make you dance. But if you do want me to dance, at least give me a great choreography. For example, great hook steps are etched in our minds. It becomes a visual key to creating history. But honestly, if done right, it doesn't even have to be complicated. I mean, the Indian audience accepts everything. But seriously, think about it. In the new crop of actors, can you really differentiate a Janhvi song from an Ananya song or a Sara song? I mean, everybody can be interchangeable in any of the songs. None of them really have a distinct style that would be like, oh, yes. Hindi cinema has also proven that you don't even need good dancers to make iconic steps. So, I mean, if you have good actors that dance well, use them. And can I make a bold statement? I think nobody other than the Tamil industry right now remembers how to use a song. For example, let's take Tamanna Bhatia. She's a great dancer. Look at her two songs. In this song, all of the dancers are essentially doing the job of blending in together and making like a moving mass behind her. There's no individual steps, there's no character. Whereas in this song, there are individual movements, there are dynamic steps, and even the colors are bright, which makes the entire song look eye-catching, to say the least. And honestly, if you want to do a club song, make it look like a club. And a club is not synchronization. A club is chaos and everything is dingy, it's smothery, there's a hectic environment. But that's where all the fun is, right? An example of that is Background dancers used to have a lot of character in the movements, but nowadays it's the same steps, synchronized movements, which doesn't really set anything apart. I would like to present another argument in my defense. Jingat, Hindi versus Marathi. I mean, look at the Marathi one. There's so much energy, it's organic, it's not choreographed, it's a real scene. Whereas in Hindi, it's just a little over choreographed. It's just every Indian generation has had its own iconic share of songs. Kisi Disco Mein Jaye, Sara Zamana, and Om Shanti Om, and many more. But are we as a generation going to be stuck with these boring robotic remakes? I guess only one person holds the answer to this question. Tony Kakkar, please make Hindi songs great again.